Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome to a project presentation on De Morgan's theorem using basic gates, initiated by the Zeal Engineering College and Research Pune by under guidance of Miss Amruta Ma'am. This presentation is presented by Bharat Kaple, Rupesh Kamte, Dipali Kachre and Akshay Javde. The project-based learning helps to enhance our capabilities while working independently. It also helps to improve our technical skills, thinking level, communication skill and presentation skills too. Introduction. The presentation provides the implementation of the basic gates operating with alternatives like NAND gate, NOR gates, which are readily available in the market. We can prepare this De Morgan's theorem using the basic gates like NOT gate, AND gate and the OR gate. The components required for this project are the AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate and the logic gate stimulator, that is one software. Next is De Morgan's first theorem. By using this software, I have drawn this logic gate diagram by using this software. In this, I have used a input as a toggle switch and output as a LED. This is a De Morgan second theorem. Now we will see a De Morgan first theorem. De Morgan first theorem states that when the two or more input variables are AND and negated, they are equivalent to the OR gate. That is, A into B bar is equal to A plus B whole bar. We can see a truth table. In truth table, 4 inputs are there. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In this truth table, we are seeing that both the columns of AB whole complement is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now we will see a De Morgan second theorem. A De Morgan second theorem proves that when two or more input variable or gates are used, then the equivalent to AND gate the complement of individual variable. Thus this explains that A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement into B complement. Now we will see the actual running condition of this De Morgan's theorem on the software. Now we will prove the De Morgan first theorem. For this, I have used a software logic gate stimulator. In this software, the input are shown by the toggle switch and the output is shown by the LED. In first diagram, I have used one AND gate with a NOT gate. In second diagram, I have used a 2 NOT gate with a OR gate. The thick line are represented as a connecting wires. Now we will see the actual proof of De Morgan's theorem. When the both input A and B are low, the output is high, that is 1. In second diagram also, when the both input are low, our output is high. That is AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. We satisfy here first condition. Now we will see a second condition. When one input is high, the output is also 1, that is high. In second diagram also, when one input is high, the output remains same, that is high. When both the input are high, the output will low, that is 0. In second diagram also, when both inputs are high, the output will 0. That means we are satisfying 4 conditions in this De Morgan's first theorem. Now we will prove a De Morgan's second theorem. In this first diagram, I have used one OR gate with a NOT gate. In second diagram, I have used a two NOT gate with a AND gate. In this De Morgan's second theorem, we will prove that a plus b whole complement is equal to a complement into b complement. Now we will run the De Morgan's second theorem. When the both input are high, our output is low. In second diagram, when we change our input, that is, we make both the input as high, our output will be get low, that our LED will be 0. When the one input is high and one input is low, our output will not change, our output will be remain same, that is 0. But when the both inputs are low, our output will change, that is high. So hence we prove that a plus b whole complement is equal to a complement into b complement. So hence De Morgan's second theorem is proved. Conclusion: De Morgan's theorem prove a very useful for simplifying the Boolean logic expression because of the way they can break an inversion which could be complement of the complex of Boolean expression. Hence we proved the De Morgan's theorem. Thank you.